Good wishes, dear students. In our first part, we have understood how to write notice writing. As I have told you, notice writing and email writing are the two subparts of the same question, that is question 2. Now, each of the question is divided into 5 numbers. So, altogether that question comprises of 10 numbers. Yesterday or in the first part, I have already told you how to write notice writing. Now in this part I will tell you what is the format of email writing. Email writing, as all of you know, that nowadays in order to save paper and for a fast communication, emails are being used. Emails has its own importance because it is a written proof of the conversation between two people or a group of people. Especially it is being used in corporate world and in today's business world, because email writing is the fastest means of communication and it has a written proof to give orders, to send any communications. That's why email writing is very important, and writing effective way of email makes the people understand that what is your desire and what you are willing to communicate to others. So writing effective email is very important in today's world. And in English literature, it is being told to you that all the writings, whether it is notice writing, email writings, letter writing, applications, all have certain format. Formats could change from time to time, but at present time what board is prescribing you to write format, that I am telling you. Now email writing, as I have told you earlier, that notice writing and email writing are, their topics are combined. So here I am just giving you example that write an email to the principal of neighboring school informing her of the event and requesting her to send a team to participate. In notice writing, same question was there, that your school is hosting an inter-school debate competition, and being a head boy or a head girl, you have to write a notice for your school informing them for the event. Now, email writing is adjoined with the same notice writing topic. You have to write an email to the principal of another school or the neighboring school. Via email you are sending an invitation also to the candidates who wants to participate in this debate competition. Now in this, here is to means to whom you are sending an email. Here you have to write the address of the person to whom you are sending an email. Here I have written, just for as a specimen copy, I have written that principalblueschool@gmail.com. Then will be the subject for what you are writing, that is inter-school debate competition. You have to write in the subject about for which you are writing. So your topic would be inter-school debate competition. Half number will be given for this. To means to whom you are writing, you have to write an address, email address of that person, that carries half number. Inter-school debate competition topic, you have to write half number, that is the subject. In subject, every first letter of the word would be in capital letters. Now after that, you have to give space in middle of each line. Here, now salutation, dear sir oblique madam. When you are not confirmed that the person whom you are writing is sir or madam, then we can write to both dear sir oblique madam. After that you have to start the body of the email. First para would be the invitation, or the para which is giving information about the event, timing and venue, that where this competition will be held. Here it is, our school is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. As part of this, we are hosting a series of competitions, and we are beginning with war of words. So the topic of the competition is war of words, as I have given in notice writing also. The same topic would be here, war of words, and inter-school debate competition. The category also you have to mention of the competition. Means full detail you have to give about the competition. It will be held on 8th December 2020 from 9 AM to 12 noon in the Centenary Hall of St. Mary's School. So here full detail you have given with in a simple way, that where this competition will be held, what will be the timing, on which date it will be held. So this will carry, the first para will carry 1.5 number, that will tell about the venue, place, time, everything. So introductory para would be this. After that you can change the paragraph and write the body of the email of the invitation, like please do send your senior debate team to participate in this event. So this body will comprise 2 number. After that, Thanksgiving, thanking you, yours faithfully, then your name would be here, then designation would be here, like head boy or head girl. So this will carry half number. Altogether this comprises of 5 numbers. So email writing 5 number, notice writing 5 number, altogether 10 number this question will be. So here you have to just focus, topic could be anything, any topic will come, but you have to focus on the format of notice writing and email writing. That is very important. Here also you have to write in simple language, not in a jargon style. It should be readable, understandable and short in size. So because to whomever you are sending the mails or notices, it should be readable and it should be precise, that the reader should understand and he or she could read it in a short span of time. Okay students, so keep on practicing this email writing and notice writing, that will come in your examinations. Okay students, so thank you so much.